Hello Eurovision land, hello Eurovision fans, we are Hurricane. I'm Sanja.
I'm Xenia.
And I'm Iva.
And we were supposed to be the representatives of Serbia in the Eurovision 2020. Unfortunately, that's not the case this year, but we hope for the next year. Well, what can I say? The first thing is, I just want to make sure that everybody is okay, that everybody is safe and staying at home. We are really happy that we can talk to you guys, that we can sing something to you guys, have a little concert or an homage for this year's Eurovision that hasn't been and it's not gonna be. Also, us as a group, Hurricane, yes, us three. We just started recently, actually, 2 or 3 years that we were working together and singing together, which is not really a long time. And the Belvisia that we won with the Hasta la Vista is one of our dreams, actually, that as a group. And if you don't know me, I'm Sanja Vucic. I represented Serbia in 2016 with my song Goodbye or Shelter, whatever. That was one of my best year. It was the best year of my life, definitely the best experience of my life. Eurovision is something magical, and I just wanted to go back again, please. And as my colleagues like to say, just let Sanja Vucic win. Let me win Eurovision, please. Just, I want to go, I want to win. And yeah, I've been watching Eurovision, I can remember since 2003, and the Every Way That I Can was one of my favorite songs until I heard Everybody Move Your Body, and that's all that I have to say.
Let's see. The first experience with Eurovision, as much as I can remember, is that it has become our family tradition. Once a year we would gather around and cheer for our favorite entries. The best experience is when I went as a backing vocal with my father, Knez, 2015. I was so happy, it was a time of my life.
So, when I was younger, I remember Eurovision was one of the influences for my love of stage performances. I would mimic the choreographies and imitate the singers, so I haven't yet had a chance to go, like my colleagues, and it has been my dream. We hope to compete next year, fingers crossed.
1, 2, 3 i kraj, odbrojano je znaj, ruke uvis na moj znak. Opet si sa njom, opet si sa njom, zbog tebe nemam sna. Tišina ubija, ostaćemo ti i ja. Praznik pogleda, ti bez srca, ja bez sna.
Mada ponekad sam malo crazy, a sa mnom nikad nije dosadno u vezi. A ti uvijek biraš pogrešku sebi, sada ljubavi uzmi ili ostavi. Hasta la vista, baby.
Imam novi plan, imam novi plan. Hasta la vista, baby. Jasno kao dan, jasno kao dan.
Kaži mi hvala, što sam te volela. Na tebe takvo pala, ma sorry što nisam ti se dopala. Hasta la vista, baby.
1, 2, 3 i kraj, odbrojano je znaj, ruke uvis na moj znak. Opet si sa njom, opet si sa njom, zbog tebe nemam sna. Tišina ubija, nije ovo sujeta, u ljubavi to je cute but psycho.
Mada ponekad sam malo crazy, a sa mnom nikad nije dosadno u vezi. A ti uvijek biraš pogrešnu sebi, sada ljubavi uzmi ili ostavi.
Hasta la vista, baby. Imam novi plan, imam novi plan. Hasta la vista, baby. Jasno kao dan, jasno kao dan.
Kaži mi hvala, što sam te volela. Na tebe takvo pala, ma sorry što nisam ti se dopala.
Hasta la vista, baby. O da, milom ili silom želim da dam ti se, pa nek obrne se sve. Ti i ja na obodima ludila kad sviram kraj, Hasta la vista, baby. Imam novi plan, imam novi plan. Hasta la vista, baby. Jasno kao dan, jasno kao dan.
Kaži mi hvala, što sam te volela. Na tebe takvo pala, ma sorry što nisam ti se dopala.
Hasta la vista, baby. Mio kada sklopim, postelja prazna, terasan, a život se topi. I nestaje brzo, ko dlanom od dlan, ko razum da gubim. Jer stvarnosti ne primećujem, još uvek te ljubim, još uvek ti slepo verujem. znam kuda, ljubavi se nove bojim, a dane žive rane više ne brojim. Lane moje ovih dana više i ne tugujem, pitam samo da si sama, ljude koje ne čujem. Lane moje noćas kreni, nije važno bilo s kim, nađi nekog nalik meni, da te barem ne volim. Every time I say goodbye, you try to hold me by your side. Couldn't find my way out of your hands, find a shelter from the pain. Every time you say your lies, I hide away and close my eyes. I won't let you